guys, it's me. Today I will be opening up this album with you guys because I thought, you know, it's fun that I'm being more active, I guess, in a way. On YouTube because it's just fun me and it's probably pretty kind of therapy. And that is not during instead of just being active. Well, the landscapers are outside, so they're kind of noisy, so I apologize if you do hear them. But yeah, let's get into it. I just went to Target and let me tell you guys right now, oh my god, they put locks on these things. I mean, they've been doing locks on them, but this was kind of funny because they put locks, and I remember them telling that they were gonna start putting up locks on them, like the electronic locks on them, because people were stealing photo cards, stealing posters, and ripping up those photo books, which was crazy. And I cannot believe there are people who are actually doing this, and certain armies or certain people, whoever, and that's just insane. So I thought, okay, we'll just get onto this, and yeah. I just bought it today, just the release of their what is it called? Other song, Boy in Love.
되고파 너의 오빠 너의 사랑이 난 너무 고파 되고파 너의 오빠 널 갖고 말 거야 두고 봐.
I was so shooked, and Halsey looks so good too, not gonna lie. Yoongi's voice dropped like 3,000 octaves lower. I don't know if that's even possible, but yeah. Oh, also I got the Persona, what is it called? I got the Persona version 1. They had all the versions at my Target, but I decided to get one when I quickly went through it. As you can see, there are some dents right here, especially from having those locks on. So if you want perfect conditions, I suggest buying them online. But otherwise, if you want to buy them in store, this is the only way. You're gonna have to deal with the locks, and yeah, because they are doing this for security reasons because of certain people. But yeah, so this is version 1 of Persona. So let's get opening. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Map of the soul. Oh my gosh. Okay, so. Oh my god, they look so cute. Okay, so let me just put it out there. That is adorable. I really wish I could post posters. But yeah, that's that. They're so cute. Like, oh my god, so cute. Yoongi's little smile, oh my god, adorableness is just sweet. So that's the poster. Here is the CD right here. It says Map of the Soul Persona version 1. So yeah. I also listened to the album. Super awesome. I loved it. Okay, so you can hear the album. So you have this is the cover, and then you have the book. Let me try that. So we have the notes real quick. Okay, so we don't want to see that. We don't want to see this in here. I don't want to see the card yet. So here it is. And let's see if I can get you guys in a better view. Oh snap. J-Hope. Baby boy. literally eating cookies. Cannibal. What's that?
Cookie, oh my gosh.
I can't understand what that says. That's some good stuff. Okay guys, I'll be gone and bye. Alright, bye guys.